Good job, Sullivan. Welcome to Peach Betty's Christmas cookie baking series. My name is Morgan. Today we're actually going to do a cookie that was suggested by our friend Mike Green. He makes these cookies every year. It's not from the Betty Crocker cookie book, but he sent me the recipe himself, and I'm really excited to try them out. They're a festive cookie. This recipe is made with one cookie dough, colored green, white, and red, with different flavors in each layer. Let's go! Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son,
Selman!
Yeah! Alright, let's start making these colorful Christmas cookies. Are you ready?
Ready!
Alright, so in the bowl here we have softened butter, of course, and white granulated sugar. Oh, okay.
And we have chocolates, and we have cheese, and raisins.
These are almonds.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so first we need to cream our butter and our sugar together. Ready? Butter eater. Alright, let's squish it all together. Now this cookie has almond extract and vanilla extract. I want vanilla extract in all the cookie layers, and then just one layer has almond extract. We're gonna add the vanilla extract right now with our butter, so it stays nice and strong.
I'll have a chocolate chip. I'll just get that.
You gotta save some for our cookies.
Okay. Let's keep mixing.
Yep, go ahead. Now this dough is going to make 3 different layers, so it's the same cookie dough, just changed by color. We're gonna add white chocolate chips to one layer, dark chocolate chips to another, and then cherries and almonds to the third. Now our butter and our sugar is nice and creamed, it's time to crack our egg. Are you too busy eating all of my chocolate?
Yeah.
Gotta save some for the cookies.
I'm still eating it. Okay.
Whoa! Okay. Okay. Well, some of it. There we go.
Okay.
Muscles. Alright, so now that our egg is mixed in nice and even, it's time to add what?
Flowers!
Yeah, so first we have to make sure that we whisk it together because we have baking powder and baking soda in there. Do you want to whisk? Whoop! I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this because I thought it was weird that this didn't have salt in the recipe. Yes. I think all cookies should have salt. And a little bit of Sullivan essence. Boop. Nope. Alright, that's it. Let's pour it in. Woo.
I'll do it.
Got it all. But not with our hands. Hey. Start slow. Nope. Nope. No, Sullivan. Wait. So this cookie dough is going to be enough for all 3 layers. So we're going to divide it into thirds. The recipe said that it's going to be a little crumbly, so I hope it comes together more than this. I'm going to keep working at it. I am actually going to work with my hands too because I think that'll make it a little bit easier to bring together, kind of like pie dough. So it does look pretty yummy. It is very crumbly, but that's what the recipe said, so we're just gonna go with it and see what happens. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out our one layer, which is going to be white. Visually divide this into thirds. Put it in here. Wow, this is really crumbly. This layer is getting the white chocolate chips. I feel like that makes it even harder for it to be mixed together. Now the original recipe says that you can press everything in the pan. Obviously the first one is not white, but because I'm kind of trying to make this look as neat and even as possible, I'm going to try and roll it out flat before I put it into the pan. That way each layer is nice and straight. In the picture that I saw, some of them were a little bumpy and it didn't look as clean as I wanted it to. So let's try something else. I'm just going to take a small sheet of parchment and shape this into the best rectangle that I can. I'm probably making these more complicated than they need to be. Now we're going to color one of these green and one of these red. Squeeze. Now this is the no taste red, because usually red you have to use a good amount of it to make sure that it's a nice deep red color. To our green one we are adding just the dark chocolate chips. To the red one we are adding our dried cherries and slivered almonds, and also some almond extract. Now that I have them all rolled out relatively flat, I'm going to assemble them outside of the pan before I put them in. So I'm going to go opposite. We want red to be the top, so right now it's going to be the bottom. I have our pan lined with aluminum foil because I have found that that makes unmolding the cookies a lot easier. I think I can put this right on top. 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! Alright, cool. We have our oven set to 375, and it says to bake it for about 17 minutes. So we'll check it at that point. Oh, can I have one?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Good.
Great job?
Good job.
Good job. I think that it was worth the effort to roll it out so they're nice and flat. You can really see all those layers now. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.